show ye. Lonely danti ye.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
UPC.
Honorable Betty is just greeting the congregation. I will translate her main speech. My name is Betty Amongi, the current member of parliament for Yam South.
Yam district, Kadonti constituency moro. Ame ticket members upon itera chahere NC1. Amiti wigi will go.
I'm hearing some people joking around that since Honorable Betty Amongi has left to Yam South, the constituency will now go to other party. No, I'm confirming in front of you that let them stop their dreams. It will remain under Uganda People's Congress.
Maybe no lira PTN.
I have a reason why I left to Yam South to come to leadership.
Ben Kop ati laukan tieni ticho mara rionyo dek ameti laukan ameki no tawni ucha tulangi kere tela lao kere chapa ching ucha tuboru nami.
The main reason is that there are some 2-3 people here in Lango who want to sell the whole Lango tribe to other people. So I've come to stop it, and I will stop it permanently.
Amitako bilangini anu binu chima in 2016 achalu minister melobo otechima achalu minister me Kampala doko techima achalu minister me jende chane meti yuti me Uganda ento iya chima no chura te unotia tamoni amoi beti alohero ko unyoa neno kireme kweta moi betu ko peme bedi chapaching eta chunga te na heshani akobani Kao chima maybe minister peo kwanye party na ato party na.
You will agree with me, Honorable Betty, that I was appointed by the President to serve as a cabinet minister right from 2016. And I've been serving in several ministries, from Ministry of Land, Kampala City, up to the gender where I am now. And I'm not yet, the main reason was like they thought I could move away from UPC. But I'm confirming to you that since that time from 2016 up to date, Amongi Betty is still firm in Uganda People's Congress.
I mean, today I know we Jama Paul, attack, adon. Ameti ati mere chapaching ngato nero koni uchahere tutumia ria parabi me tutumia ria parabi me kwanyo Dr. Lara tunu ane na ku record me na machiel me wo defending party me chapaching ikara me oyero aduongo da honorable Jimmy Akena au Lara tunugi tekwero kuongo ko wane na yote tuteme wo record wane na yote tuteme neno ni Ochoy maybe party president o tingo jami tuj kere loni en libin kan inero unu loni uberu dano me bukedi nyio sinde keta me waro timo kere me ketu Jimmy Akena wana rio enungeo wano kere.
I want to confirm to you that since 2015 when they elected unanimously Honorable Jim Akena to be the party president, elected from all the districts as the law requires. The then president, party president, Honorable Olaro Tunu, never wanted to confirm Jimmy James Michael Akena. So I am the one who took Jimmy Olaro Tunu to the court together with this man I'm calling Osinde. We formed a syndicate, and it is only between two of us that syndicate that we are playing with Osinde.
Syndicate. Now, the shower ni permit to Galokopa party president. Eto ana nuongo chawa ate biru lokero tera kamite wiyamo da loke wiyamo. Bien jo ame oti uti memi yu Jimmy pecho ye langi dang ti ye.
My fellow members, I want to assure you that I have a lot to tell you as my people of Lango. But I may not say it now because I want to give the party president time to give his speech. But I want to assure you that the people who fought Honorable Jimmy Michael Akena not to be nominated, some of them are even from Lango here.
Na Mario, jo ame kuti ate me kubere ti Europe. Uberu dang jo mogo me chapaching amegi na uti Europe. Au te kubere kene josha bien ka yin peti ukore nukin pe uye ni uti kedgi kope koni kod unyo kope koni dana ni pobe party president unupa bino kodi jono an woki utela dinu bino te koni amoy yini tkobu kopa teni tutwal kongi we homago don yi ote kwaya ni pebe luongo nying jo atata do ara koboni ichawa ni pebe luongo nying mamone eto cha tuna me luongo nying oni aimo chawa tuno ame luongo nying eto cha ni obedo me party president we Blockade wu ana ngeo kwena me Blockade wu ye out of me you you jo me ame oti Europe me yo Dr. Jimmy Akena aduongo da party president pecho yena hechawa ne kere ngo ati mere tu ana nuongo ena kopa jo mena me akopiki mewe kado permit ni ane na wora ko jo ana kopiki no ramu kopa po ba midugu.
For now I will not mention the names of those people.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.